Okay, again, welcome to another video tutorial. Okay, natin dito sa TLC or Total Life Changes dito sa GADS team or Global Onliners Dream Team. And in this video ay ituturo ko naman sa iyo paano nga ba natin i-place yung ating binary. Kung left ba yan or right ba yan. Okay? So, simple lang So, you all have to do is to click your profile or my profile. So, pag-click mo dyan, lalabas dyan yung profile mo. Pero, dito muna, click muna natin yung preferred placement natin para mapili natin kung saan natin lalagay. Take note that in this preferred placement ay importante natin na lagi itong ma-check. Why? Because once na halimbawa nakaset siya sa left leg at sinend mo yung link to your prospect at nag-join yan, automatically sa left yan pupunta. At pag sinend mo naman siya sa right leg at sinend mo sa prospect mo yung link, automatically yan sa right sila mapupunta or sa right mo on your binary tree. So, once na hindi mo ito ma-place or ma-save or ma-set at ikaw ay nagbibuild, like for example na supposedly dapat sa right sila mapunta pero naka-place pala sa left leg, automatically sa left yung pupunta. So you have to check this parate para makita mo yung right placement dapat ng iyong mga future members. Alright, so for example na-select mo yung left leg, then click mo lang yung save changes and then you're done. Okay na. Okay? And then next naman, if you want to change your password, just click the change password tab. And then type mo lang yung current password mo and then type your new password and confirm your new password, then click save. Okay? So, if you want to change your profile pictures also, all you have to do is to click edit my picture and then choose file from your computer or desktop or laptop or mobile phone, so you can upload your picture here and personalize your own TLC back office or website. So, ganun lang siya kasimple, no? And I hope makatulong ito sa'yo para mas maintindihan mo kung paano natin gamitin tong ating back office or website. So, again, thank you very much for visiting this video and watching this video, and I hope nakatulong sa'yo ito para mas maintindihan mo pa at mas mapalago mo pa yung business mo dito sa Total Life Changes. So again, good luck sa'yo and congratulations, power!